karibu Aveworkshop. Magoli yetu baada ya kuwasilisha uwanjani. So the better the best, the best the good, as we can see. You're welcome my boss. Kazi yetu hii tumewasilisha. Thanks to Coach Freddy and the FK teams. We're so proud of you. We just want to deliver something which is good, with the good prices and nice for our customers. So welcome so much. We love you, maboss wangu FK, maboss wangu mtaani, and all the bosses. Karibu sana kwa huduma zetu hapa tuko tayari kuhudumia Aveworkshop team. So we respect your thought, we respect everything from you. We're so proud of you. To get team Dennis, my young brother, welcome.